You might want to save this video just in case you want to homeschool your preschooler and kind of don't know where to start with a morning binder. Since we started homeschooling in October, I did notice that there are certain things that he loves to do every day, and then there's other things that I would love for him to do every day, so I just include it and throw it in there.
Ooh, that's a silly face. Can you do a silly face? Good job. Not raining? So it's not raining.
No.
Okay, what about... You'll be right back? You're gonna look outside the window?
Walk
Oh, you can't walk? Okay, I'll move out your way.
back and forth, back and forth.
Oh, the trees are going back and forth, so that means it's windy? That's a good observation. So you're gonna match the color with the word?
Oh, pink.
Pink, good job.
Oh, flat.
Black, where's black?
Oh, flat.
What color's next? Oh, that's purple.
Purple.
Yes, that's purple. Do you know that word? Yes, orange. Good job, puppy.
Orange. White.
White.
Rectangle.
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 Pink rectangle.
Black rectangle.
Black rectangle.
Brown rectangle.
Brown rectangle. Those are your hands.
So on hand.
Yeah. That's your left hand and your right hand. Good job. Can you say left?
Left.
Now say right.
Right.
Good job,
Wrong
puppy.
hand.
You want to draw your hand?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Trace your hand. That's fine. So what are you going to draw? Is that a smile? One eye. Two eyes. What about a nose? Should we draw a nose? I have a nose. Do you have a nose? Yes, that's a nose. It's a silly nose. It's a big nose.
Big nose.
Yes, what about some ears? Should we draw some ears?
Yeah.
Yes, ears. One ear. Two ears. Big ear. So you have a little ear? And a big ear.
Big ear.
That's a pentagon.
Hectagon.
You know which one's the pentagon? Yes, you do. Okay.
Circle.
Circle. Okay, which one's the circle?
Circle right here.
That starts with an S and it sounds like circle, but this is a star. Circle's up here.